about Manikam Tagore now directly pitching for Rahul Gandhi as the leader of opposition. There is another Congress party leader who says that Congress will be the one that will make the final decision, and some decision should rather, Swati, be left to the party leadership.
Now, like I said, other leaders are also joining the bandwagon. Here's Mr. Vivek Tanka, who says, and I quote, he's responding to that post put out by Manikam Tagore. He says, Rahul ji led the campaign frontally. He was the face. He is duty bound to take on the mantle of Lok Sabha parliamentary party leadership. Rahul Gandhi cannot take all decisions about himself. Some decisions the party leaders, MPs have to take. Surely will be a unanimous choice. So both leaders now garnering support for Rahul Gandhi as leader of opposition. Vivek Tanka goes on to say Rahul Gandhi cannot take all the decisions himself. So now the party leaders need to come out and make sure that this decision is taken. And he says it will be a unanimous one, giving the responsibility of this post leader of opposition to Rahul Gandhi in the parliament.
All right, Swati, thank you for that. Let me take that question now to Sabyasachi as well, because Sabyasachi, for now, first up, Rahul Gandhi amongst his party leadership needs to decide rather that will seat he will be representing in parliament. But the party leaders themselves now are pitching for Rahul Gandhi to lead the opposition in parliament.
Well, absolutely. See, the first important thing for Mr. Gandhi is to decide which seat he would keep, whether it is Wayanad or Raebareli. See, he made a video statement through which he said he thanked the people of Wayanad and Raebareli as well. And he said that if it is possible, he would like to keep both the seats. But that decision is yet to be taken by Mr. Gandhi and the Congress party, whether Rahul Gandhi would keep Raebareli or Rahul Gandhi would keep Wayanad. See, on the other hand, the Congress leaders have started discussing that Mr. Gandhi should be the leader of the Congress party in the Lok Sabha. See, that is the reason why Manikam Tagore has said he has asked the people for the vote in the name of Rahul Gandhi, and he thinks that the party MPs would take this particular decision. On the other hand, Vivek Tanka already acknowledged that Rahul Gandhi has led the Congress party from the front, but Rahul Gandhi alone cannot decide everything. It is up to the party MPs and the parliamentary team to decide whether Rahul Gandhi would be the leader of the Lok Sabha for the Congress party or not. So clearly there are slight differences which could be seen within the Congress party as well as of now. But first and foremost, Mr. Gandhi need to decide which seat he is keeping, whether it is Wayanad or Raebareli.
Right, but Sabyasachi, it was on the results day itself when Rahul Gandhi spoke post the results being announced. He said that every decision that would be taken from here on would be after taking consensus, not just from the party leaders, but also from the India bloc leaders as well. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with those details. Of course, there are more results now when it comes to the breaking updates as far as the results that have now come out and the decisions that are likely to be taken by both the NDA and the India bloc, getting you on the other side of a short break.